you see we have a request for home page, and in response it's loading a welcome page. Let's find out exactly how it works. I'm gonna visit the routes web.php, and this is where you register all your routes for your application. And notice how simple is that. Make a GET request to the welcome page. It's a home page request, and in return you get the welcome view, and the view is HTML portion of your home page, and view are registered in resources, views, and here we go, welcome.blade.php. And you know what is Blade? Blade is a template engine that Laravel uses by default. And now you see over here is a HTML block of content, a block of control that you can view over here. So let's some changes in it. Let's some changes like Laravel to Laravel work. And I go back and give it a refresh. There we go, Laravel work. Let's change the endpoint sum. Go to web.php file, duplicate this route, and get the and make a URI for welcome. Save it, go back and give it a refresh. First of all, you have to write over here welcome, because you make a new URI for welcome page. It's called /welcome. Refresh, and now you see you have a same view for welcome /welcome dot. There is a number of ways we can return a response. Laravel is pretty smart in that way. So for example, let's return a string, hello world. Save it. Laravel automatically prepare that's a response of string. Go back to the browser, refresh, and here we go. We have a string of hello world. We can either return a JSON, for example, return an array, Laravel, create a Laravel work. Once the Laravel automatically return into JSON, go back to the browser, refresh. Here we go. We have a JSON response Laravel work. Now, quick note, I am using Firefox that has a number of helpers, but if you are using Chrome or Edge, you might see something like this, but it's all the same response. Anyway, if we look at the headers, we return content type application/JSON, and this will be and this will become super useful when we start creating APIs. So let's finish up by registering a new route and also a new view. I'm in a web.php file, create a new route get. When someone make a GET request on result URI, in return we send a closure function, and in closure function we return a view, and the view name is result. So now we have to make a view name called result. So in the resource views, create a new file and name it result. blade.php. Enter. So, and now I'm gonna paste a big block of HTML and in H in H2 right test complete. So once again, when someone make a GET request, then in return it will load a view name called result, and our view is stored in resources, views and result. So let's check it out. Result. And here we go, test complete.